Hi guys, welcome back to Su's All-in-One channel. So in today's video I've come to a new restaurant in JP Nagar. They already had branches in Kormangla, Indra Nagar, Cunningham Road and Whitefield. Now it's open in JP Nagar. It's called Pasta Street. They have amazing Italian food. So come, let me show you what all is available here.
The ambience is great. They have created a welcoming and friendly environment for all with a great atmosphere for relaxing and socializing. They have a comprehensive menu with a wide variety of authentic Italian dishes and drinks menu to suit all tastes. They have an efficient, courteous and friendly service as well. All the dishes are served piping hot on the table, which is very impressive. All Pasta Street dishes are freshly prepared on the premises in an open kitchen environment so that you can actually see your food being cooked, which is really amazing. Regarding pricing, premium quality, deliciously fresh Italian food is served at affordable prices. We tried tomato soup, salad, calzone, garlic bread, pizza and spaghetti. All of it was really tasty. You can actually check out the complete menu here and also the delivery options. I would definitely go back for more, and I hope you guys will visit and taste the yummy items on their menu as well. If you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel, share the video with your family and friends, and thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.